Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Global markets are trading with mixed sentiments. Global macros are not in favor. Bond yield is trading above 4%, and dollar index is steady above the level of 102.5. Crude is also inching up. US stocks closed mostly lower as investors awaited key inflation reports, which is likely to provide some insight about when the Fed will cut the interest rates in the future. And that's the reason we saw some weakness in the US markets. In fact, they were much lower when they opened, but towards the end we saw some recovery in almost all the indices. However, all the indices closed into negative territory. Now, while looking at the setup of our markets, we saw a spectacular rally in the first half from the levels of 21,600, almost 21,720, 25 levels Nifty managed to reach. But in the second half, we saw equal amount of sell-off in the market, and market closed at the lowest point of the day. In fact, market has broken the previous lowest level, which was around 21,500. Now for the day, the important level is 21,490, and if it breaks that, then we can expect further more weakness up to 21,400, 425, where the market is having next leg of support. Below that, we may even see the levels of 21,350 or 325, but the entire pattern is suggesting us that it's a corrective pattern, and we should look for adding some position with a contra view close to 21,400 with a tight stop loss at 21,300. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw good amount of sell-off. It closed at the lowest point of the day. The fall was much severe than the Nifty. 47,050, 46,900 is the area of support, and it's a very huge and heavy support for the Bank Nifty. If you see the Bank Nifty is breaking 46,900, then it will invite further more pressure in the market, further more long unwinding, and that will attract further more weakness in major stocks. So that's the reason we need to be very, very careful. But at the same time, those who love to take contra bets should look for adding some positions close to 47,000 levels with a stop loss at 46,900. But yes, if it breaks 46,900, then it is mandatory to exit out of long positions, as in that case the Bank Nifty may even fall to the next support of 46,500. On the higher side, 47,500 will be resistance for the Bank Nifty, and for the Nifty 21,600. Yesterday we saw some activity in mid cap and small cap companies, a few metals and mining companies, but the overall activity was completely muted. So we need to be more and more today index specific. If we see the market is dropping to the important levels of 21,400. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.